Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I will be making a mantel shelf. So this shelf I plan to put above our bed in our main bedroom. It's part of my whole bedroom series. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I'm giving my whole bedroom a farmhouse makeover. So as part of that makeover, I wanted to put a little bit of a mantel shelf above our bed. So the pieces that I've got is we've got this board here is the baseboard, and that is 1.8 meters long and it is 18.5 centimeters wide. I don't know what all that is in inches for you guys that are in America. I'm sure there's conversion things online that you can convert it. So yeah, it's 1.8 meters long and 18.5 centimeters wide. And I got it 18.5 centimeters wide just so that it fits these corbels or these shelf brackets on nice with a little bit of a gap still at the edge. The next board is 1.82 meters long, so just so that it hangs a little bit over the baseboard. So 1.82 meters long, and that is 14 centimeters wide. And then the top one is 1.84 meters long, so that's going to hang over slightly again, and that is 14.5 centimeters wide. So I'll just get the tripod and show you roughly what I've got in mind for it, and then we'll get to making it. So I know it's a little bit hard to see, but how I had it in mind is that these were going to sit on the end, like on the edge. This is going to be the first top, like that, and then this is going to sit a little bit so that it overlaps like that, about there. That's going to sit there, all flush. So you've got a little bit of a lip, and then I've got some decorative trim, which we're then going to put this first trim in this gap, and then this second trim is going to sit on top. And the one that's sitting on top is also going to act like a bit of a ledge so that nothing will slide off the shelf as well. If I've got like picture frames or something just sitting on the shelf, it's got a little ledge to catch it. So that's my plan, and also obviously I'll be going down the side with this trim as well. So that's pretty much the plan. The first thing we're going to do now is glue these two together. So I'm going to just be using some PVA wood glue and some clamps to just glue this piece onto that piece, leaving that little gap on the edge. Okay, so that's our first step. I'm just using my general PVA wood glue. Be very, very generous with this because you want it to stick really well. I'm just going to leave that dry now, preferably overnight, so it gets a good solid bond, and we'll come back. Okay, so we've marked out where the shelf supports are going to go, and my husband is just pre-drilling a couple of holes so that we can attach these. Now he's just sort of pre-sinking the holes a little bit. Is that what it is it countersinking or something? Just so that when the screws go in, they'll sit flat. Okay guys, so I've finished putting the trim on. I don't know if it's going to be easy to see, but you can see there's a little bit of a lip all the way around. So this is going to help stop anything falling off it. And
yeet, yeet, yeet.
Your eyes are all red. Creepy girl. And I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to do the proper miters corners. So I've actually just sanded them back, and it's not going to be even noticeable by the time I paint it. So yeah, it's definitely not a professional job, but I think it's going to look all good. Can you go away, you peanut? Well, it's finally up, guys. Finally finished. Thanks to my husband for putting it up on the wall for me. That was a bit, I was a bit like nervous about, because it's actually, I mean, it's not too heavy, but it's, yeah, it's quite heavy considering it's only MDF. And I don't want to show you too much of the bed itself because I've still got to put that video up. But yeah, so I just wanted to show it's all finished now. And my not so professional corners didn't turn out too bad. I don't mind it anyway. I think it looks, I like it. It's exactly how I was hoping it was gonna turn out. So I've still got to do a bit more fine tuning on my decor up there, but I just thought I'd throw something up there just to show you guys. So yeah, excuse my bed's not made, but well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It wasn't a fast process, but it wasn't that hard either. So I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm really happy with the end result. It's coming up pretty soon now. Like, I've pretty much finished a lot of the major projects in my bedroom. So it'll all be just a few fine tuning and decor pieces left now. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so that you don't miss out on the final room reveal. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.